Ahoy hoy, welcome back to the second episode of Gavin's Grotty Guitars, and a fun one for me, which is much hated by everybody, an Encore Strat. If you don't know, Encore, a very affordable brand, has a nice logo at the top, gold with black outline in a nice spaghetti style that reminds us of somebody else's. The headstock also exceedingly close to somebody else's design, and a Strat design, rather obviously. Quite a heavy body. I've had it for probably 15 years. It's a big old lump, horrible plastic coating on the outside, and originally had just dog awful pickups in it. So I found on eBay this rather, if you look carefully, ill-fitting pickguard, which came from, I believe, a Hot Texas Strat, whatever that is. Lovely output singles and a humbucker, which I believe in position 2 is single coil, so you can get the quack sound. For ages I always hated humbucker single because it just doesn't seem to be, be one or the other. Actually, what's wrong with being both? It's got a great humbucker sound, the single coils are really sweet, quite hot. Guitar neck, it's gloss and plastic as usual on the outside, but it's nice and chunky. I've always really liked this guitar. It's, when I was playing gigs and needed a spare, it was a great one just to have off to the side in case something went wrong. Why? Well, you can get a Strat sound out of it, you can get a humbucker sound out of it. It does the job. Is there anything I'd like to change? Like, God, yes, everything. That's why I've been fiddling with guitars for this long. The wiring at the last time I played it was a little bit dodgy. Let's see what's happened recently. Clearly, I need to practice on my wiring. But I think I must have bought it for about 50 or 60 quid. I probably paid more than that for the pickups, as I believe they were Fender at the time. So I'm told they were Texas Hot singles and some Texas humbucker thing at the time. Whether they are or not, I've no idea. I can't remember, I never made notes. Playing through, as usual, Sweet Fanny Adams because the electronics are bad again. So, second guitar in a row I've got to go and rewire before we can give a demo on. Yippee poo. Makes you think that perhaps my weak spot might be on wiring. What do you reckon? Welcome back, rewiring done. Find a tuner, for God's sake, Gavin. It's just inexcusable. Back in the room. What needed doing on this? Turned out you start at one end when you're checking wiring. Start with the output, and that's what was wrong here. The output jack had just disgustingly old dry wiring on it, and the output jack itself was quite messy. So I replaced the jack and wetted up the soldering. These are pickups that came from a Texas special I presume cheap Fender or one of their nice good quality Squires. I chose the scratch plate, as I probably said before. Doesn't obviously fit the guitar, but it's got some nice sounds to it. Nice humbucker. Looks like more wiring might be needed, doesn't it? Ooh. Do like a good neck pickup. Those are fairly good, fairly noise free, but as always, let's see what happens with a bit of dirt. Gotta love a big muff. Intonation is a bit of a change there, you can hear that. Superb. Wonderful and fuzzy. Just turn it down to breaking point. lovely high output, which is why it's my workhorse guitar for a spare. It's got all the sounds on it. It's got a nice solid humbucker. It's got good old single coils, fairly noiseless. I think the only thing that needs redoing is replacing all of those and checking the wiring on the 5-way. Pretty happy with that. Once that wiring's done, it goes back up to the storage loft. And I'll see you next time on Gavin's Grotty Guitars. Let's see what other grot I've got.